Welcome to my channel. Today I will do a simple exercise for beginners. I will have the track available if you are download and follow along. Now let's get started. Start a new part file. Now you want to make a sketch on the top plane. Make a rectangle, center rectangle. Make it a square 76 by 76 millimeters. Right. Now I'll put a sketch fillet of 12 millimeters on all four corners. Can I just highlight the whole thing? Say yes to it. Lovely. Okay. Now close sketch. Extrude. We are extruding up to 10 millimeters. Okay, got our first solid there. I'll make another sketch on the top plane. Make a circle of 46 millimeters. Close sketch. Extrude. Now we're going to be extruding from an offset of 6 millimeters. You gotta go 6 millimeters down and then come up 66. So offset 6 millimeters, change direction. Now go blind 66 millimeters. Click OK. Lovely. Now we make a sketch on the top plane. Make yet another circle. This one is 32 millimeters. Okay. Close sketch. Extrude cut. Make end condition through both directions. Okay, got your hole there. Make a sketch on this face. Make another circle. This time will be 38 millimeters diameter. Lovely. Close sketch. Extrude cut. This one will only go down by 15 millimeters. Lovely. Now I want to put a chamfer of 3 millimeters on the bottom edge there. 3 millimeters. There's your fillet. Chamfer. Now then another chamfer on the bottom edge. This one will be 5 millimeters by 45 degrees on that edge. Beautiful. Now we go for the hole wizard. You want to make a counter bore hole. Diameter will be 10 millimeters according to the drawing. The counter bore is 14. The counter bore depth is 3 millimeters. And condition will be up to next. Position. Click this face. Now if you hover on the edge of the arc, the center will wake up. Hover. There's your center there. If you hover there, you find the center. One last time. Hovering for the center. There are 4 holes. Okay. And my holes in there. Now make a sketch on this face. Just get a line tool and follow along. We're just gonna first you convert energies to bring this circle into our current sketch. And just do a couple of lines. We'll define it, try and keep it horizontal. Another line, go up, go that way at an angle. Just stay where it meets the midpoint. You can leave it there. Now, because I want to mirror this thing along, I'll need a center line. Center line. Not you. What you doing? Center line too. Line from there to the center. And then that direction. Lovely. Now select these lines. You want to mirror them across now so you get something symmetric. There's a mirror tool at work. Let's get some dimensions going. That will be 7 millimeters. from here to the center is 3 millimeters, because we need 6 for 2 of this, for the whole thing, so we need 3 from the center. From here to the origin is 30 millimeters. And then that to that will be 124 millimeters. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now you select all these lines. Now we want to mirror them across. We need the same thing in the bottom. Zoom in to get that one. Lovely. Centered line. Use the mirror tool. Now you can, oh, you missed one there. You just throw it straight up. Line tool. Bang bang. That's what I'm talking about. Get the line tool again. Just make this tick here. Join this up. And the distance from this edge to my new line there is 13 millimeters. Now select this line and the center line and click the mirror tool. It's going to get mirrored automatically. Let's do some, let's clean up here. Let's trim this thing. Trim that. You can trim this. Trim this. Trim that. Okay, now my sketch is not defined anymore. Just select this line and that line and give them a relation of collinear relation. Now my sketch is fully defined. Close sketch. Oh, I missed one. I need a sketch width of 10 millimeters in those edges, in the sharp edges there. Lovely. Close sketch. And extrude. Now we'll be extruding from an offset of 30 millimeters because we need this thing above this face. So extrude from an offset tap 30 millimeters. Lovely. Now this thing is going to be 7 in thickness, so line 7 millimeters. And we are done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Bye.